Okay guys, may ginawa kami.
Ito guys, may ginawa pala kami.
Sige, mamaya natin buksan. Oops, huwag nakalimutan ang subscribe and like, share, and comment. Okay, eto.
Bubuksan na namin o open na namin. Dapat gumawa kayo neto. What's this?
Okay, may excited.
Excited.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. This is keyboard. My again.
Uy!
My
Oh, tingnan mo.
keyboard.
Hindi yun. Color red siya. Favorite ko, color red. And strawberry. Okay.
Ito naman, wow, so pretty. My blue.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Fish.
Hello Kitty. Favorite ko yung Hello
Oh my gosh, it's
Kitty.
cellphone. Is this a cellphone?
Okay.
My
This
cellphone.
ang keyboard.
Oh my gosh, this is notebook. Notebook. Wow! It's
Oh my God!
Oh my gosh! This is my keyboard.
Tatlong keyboard na ako, B. Ano pa to? Oh my God!
Oh my god! My side this.
Okay, lalagyan na namin dito.
Yung natin mo.
Ano ka ba dyan? Sa'yo to.
Oo, bakit?
Like and comment, share kung gusto nyo pa ng part 2.
Part 2, gusto nyo pa to? O maggawa kayo?
Part 2, gagawa kami next.
Maggawa na kayo. Anong hinihintay nyo pa dyan?
Kang OA.
Ayaw nyo gumawa?
Ano ba? Okay. Okay, ilalagay ko dito yung ito ko, stickers. Okay, ilalagay yan.